Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own African Black Soap Shampoo at the comfort of your home. So in today's video I'm going to be using this particular black soap, which is Dudu Osun, and it's very common in this part of in West Africa, and also they have other brands of black soap. At least I know of one from Ghana. Guys, this has a lot of amazing ingredients, like you can see cocoa pod ash, palm kernel oil, honey, aloe vera. So these are nice ingredients in this black soap, and they are all natural ingredients. There's no chemical in it. I'm sure that you love it and want to give it a try. So I'm going to go ahead and chop this into small pieces and set it aside. So it's a very hard soap, so you might want to use a chopping board or something like that to kind of make your cutting it a lot easy. So this is flaxseed gel, which I'm also going to be adding to this recipe. But first of all, we're going to be adding hot water in order to be able to melt this black soap shampoo, and we're going to want to make sure that all the clumps from the black soap is well melted and cool down before you add all your ingredients. So first off is my flaxseed gel, and I'm going to be adding this inside to give it some sleep and help moisturize my hair, because using the black soap alone can be drying sometimes, so you want to add some things to make it moisturizing. So I'm going to be adding my vitamin E oil. If you know me by now, you know this channel, you know vitamin E oil is a staple for me. And also peppermint oil. You need some essential oils. You can use lavender oil, you can use peppermint oil, whichever is available to you. It's very important because it helps to stimulate the scalp and prevent dandruff and itching. So I'm also using my olive oil. It's a penetrating oil and I love it so much. And also my honey. This is what I have left. I think I was able to get a spoonful from this honey. Honey is a natural humectant, and it helps to attract moisture from the atmosphere, especially in this dry season right in. And also you want to strain this so that if there are still some clumps, like there are some clumps from the black soap, you want to strain this so that you get that out of the way. So I ended up using a socks to strain this properly, and this is my mixture. So you can use it like this. It's very foamy and it's very good. I'm going to be making another video on showing you guys how I use this to wash my hair. So guys, this batch is going to last me for months, like I'm sure of that. So if you think you need something on a very low budget, then you might want to try this out. This is my black soap shampoo. So some naturals use this shampoo, this black soap, like that with in a solid form, but I just like to use mine in this form. It's easy to apply when I'm shampooing my hair. So you see, it's very foamy, and I'm going to be showing you guys in another video how I use it to wash my hair. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you've ever used this black soap before and how it's turned out for you. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.